How to use Trust Wallet compilation beginners tutorial. If you want to use Trust Wallet, make sure to actually go ahead and launch the Trust Wallet application. And this is the kind of interface you will see. Now, Trust Wallet is basically just a crypto application when you use to buy or maybe sell crypto for a certain amount of profit. So you can, if you want to, let's say, buy some kind of crypto, when you log into your wallet, you can just simply go to the buy option here, and from the buy option you'll be able to look through multiple details over here, from where you'll be able to select any sort of coins that you want to buy, the dollars worth of coins, and by entering the amount you'll be able to buy them. Once you make sure that you have got a certain amount of profit, you can simply go to the sell option here and then simply choose to sell a certain crypto that you own over here. Now, that is basically for buying and selling. If you want to send and receive crypto from one wallet to another, you can tap on the send option to send someone, and you can tap on the receive option to deposit, let's say, crypto into your Trust Wallet account. Similarly, the others one are for swapping the currency, for earning, and for discovering some of the other stuff that you have in Trust Wallet. If you tap the gear icon from the top left here, you'll be able to add multiple wallets, not just one. And you'll also be able to go ahead and then basically see price alerts, address book, trust handles, and so on. And this way you'll be able to use Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.